What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Where Did You Go by XXXTENTACION and Juice WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double suplex your grandma off the top rope. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is an E-flat standard tuning, so it's standard tuning and you tune all of your strings down a half step. Also, if you need the guitar tab, I will have that in the video description, and it will have the tuning, the notes there for the tuning for you. So if you need those, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it's there for you. So this riff is just repeated over and over again. It's got 4 different parts to it. You're gonna put your index finger on the 1st fret of the G string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D. And you're going to be picking open E, D, G, D. Then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the low E string and pick the same way. Take that off and pick your A string open. You pick that twice. So that looks like... Show it to you one more time. And now that part plays twice. Now for the 3rd time, you're picking almost the exact same thing, except instead of picking D, G, D, you're picking D, B, G through each of these. It looks like... And then you're going to play the riff one more time the same way that you played it in the beginning. And then all of that just repeats throughout the entire song. So slowly I'll play you the entire riff one time through. Now, like I said, that entire riff plays through, it just repeats throughout the entire song. I will show you a little way that you can switch it up if you want to, because it does have a few times where there's a little bit more of the minor chord progression happening, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So what you can do if you want to change it up every now and then, you play the exact same riff the same way 3 times through. So twice, and then you play... After that part, put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D, and then put your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the A, and pick... That's A, D, G, D. Middle finger, 2nd fret A, ring finger, 2nd fret D. Same picking pattern. A, D, G, D. Then take that middle finger off. And I'll play through the entire riff with that in it as well, so you can see what that looks like. Here it is. here's where you... And then it would start all over. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.